SoundPaint is a very cool sample engine. It's free. It comes with one free sample library. Plus there's some others that you can purchase later on if you want, but we're just going to focus on the free stuff today. But first, let's check out how you get this thing. So what you want to do is go over to the SoundPaint website. At the top, you'll see free download. Click on that. And then you'll see download SoundPaint. So you click on that, then you're going to have to create an account. You have to do that. There's no way really around that. So you would fill all of your information in there, create account. They're going to send you a download link in your email. And then once you get that, you'll just download the version that you want. And then once you have it downloaded, you can just install it like normal. It has an installer with it. And then if you need help, they do have a setting up guide in the email that they sent you. So you can refer to that. And then once you have it installed and you load it up in your DAW, it's going to ask you for an access key. So you're going to have to go back to the SoundPaint website, log in, and then you'll see a little tab called access key. Go in there and you can see your access key. And when you first load it up, you're probably going to see something like this, missing purchases, it says. So some libraries you purchased were not found on this computer, and that's because we haven't installed them yet. We've just installed the sample engine. So what you want to do is just either click on that check mark and it's going to bring up the downloader. But if you're like me, I accidentally clicked off to the side and it closed that. You're going to have to do a little something else. So you're going to want to click on this right here. And then you would just go to check updates and purchases. You click on that and I've already installed it now, but because I didn't, it showed me that I had that free Steinway to download. So you can just download it from there. But once it's installed, you're good to go. And you'll notice now we have access to piano here. So we'll just click on that and we can see our 1928 vintage Grand Steinway. Click on that. And even though this is a single library, look at all of the presets you get for that library. So let's just check some of these out right now. VHS Vibe. I love that sort of thing. Let's just hear that. I just have some MIDI loaded there. I thought I'd check it out in that. What else do we have? What's this? Natalie. Well, we'll try that. That one's really nice. Try this one out. This one is awesome. Vintage. There's also ARPs in here. So you can see we have access to an ARP. And of course we can change all of that around if we want. And you can see we have these racks in here as well. And you can have LFOs in there. You can see there's effects, LFOs, ADSR, legato, master, offset, time, touch, and voicing. Lots of stuff that you can add in there. We have this main effects tab here with some effects in there. Let's see what we've got. Delay, distortion, and there's a few different types for each of these things. EQ, filter, reverb, bit, brush, chorus, vintage, compressor, LA2A, gate, phaser, stereo, image. Really cool. And I like that it's all within the plugin itself. So we can design our sound right within this plugin. We don't have to add any other plugins to this. It's all right there. Let's just check out a couple more of these. That's pretty cool. I saw lo-fi. Definitely have to check that one out. Definitely grab SoundPaint for free. It is top notch. And if you want to check out 6 more free VSTs that you can grab right now, click the video on the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.